Hello everyone, welcome to the first lesson in my Maya Basics tutorial. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of lessons on some of the basic things in Maya, and by the end hopefully you should be able to do some simple animations and have a knowledge of Maya. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to download Maya. You can get a free 30-day trial. I'm using the personal learning edition. They don't support it anymore. They don't release it, so you're gonna have to get the 30-day trial, or if you want to, just buy it. So once you installed it and downloaded it, it should look something like this. Different versions of it will look different, and I have it set up for my settings because you can do a lot of customization with it, but it should resemble something that looks vaguely like this. What you want to make sure is that it's in single view. It doesn't look like this, just single view. I'll get to that later. And that you have these things at the sides here. Okay, so this is the 3D 3D field that we're going to be working in. So here is where you make most of your stuff, and to work around this you press the Alt key and left click, and you should get these two arrows here, and they move around the 3D plane here. Then hold down the Alt key and press the right mouse, and that will zoom in and out. So here are some of the basic navigations. Also, if you hold down the middle button like I'm doing right now, it will move up and down and left and right. So that's how you use your mouse. Also, you may have seen me doing this in the beginning. What that is we press the space button. So press the space button, and it pops out with these four views. If you can read at the bottom here, it says perspective view, top, front and side, and they are what they say here. They're different views. We don't have an object yet, so I'm going to just make one. So to make an object, you want to go to create, and here you will get choice. We're going to be working with just these three in my tutorials, which are NURBS, polygons and subdivisions. So let's choose a polygon. We'll go to polygon and press cube. Don't press whatever you do, don't press this now, just press the cube here. And then it'll say drag base on the grid and then pull upright. So what you want to do is you want to draw a polygon where you would preferably want it created. So I'm just going to draw the base here. Here is a base, and then just pull up here. And here we have a polygon, and as you can see now I'm rotating it, and then I'll press space again. And here you can see all the views. So this is from the top, this is from the front, and this is from the side. It's a square, so it will look similar from different angles. One last thing I want to show you in this beginning phase is these things here. Basically, they are tools that you use most. You'll probably use them most often, these tools, when you're working. And this is the move tool, so you press it, and what will happen is you can move the polygon in the direction specified here. So you can move it up, you can move it left, you can move it right, you can move it on the axis, so Y, Z and X. As you can see here is the Y, Z and X axis, or if you just grab the middle you can move it around the 3D space. Then we have the rotate tool. We press the rotate tool, and what that does is it will rotate your object. So we rotate it again on the X, Y and Z axis, or if you press this blue one it will rotate the whole object like this. So that's the rotate tool. You can have some fun with this. And the last tool here is the scale tool, and what that will do is it will scale it up. So again, on the y-axis it will make it bigger here, z-axis it will make it bigger here, x-axis here, and if we press the middle it will make the whole object bigger. So these tools are probably the most essential tools you're going to be working with, at least when you start off. And again, if we press the space button here, you can see that it's in different views. So if we come from the top view, and this is going to be very useful, so let's just press Alt and middle key, and say we want to move it to a line, so we'll just move it on the top here, and this will only move it around the top. So here I am, as you can see. The same with the side, so moving it to the side, it will only move, as you can see, to the side, and the same with the front, up and down. Those are some of the very basic things in Maya. Please stay tuned for more of my lessons where I'll go in depth on how to use Maya. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you soon.